Saturday's precise and important news. A medical team dispatched to the Pamir sites of Badakhshan province. The medical team of the Public Health Department of Badakhshan traveled to the sites to deliver health services to the people in need. Fakiri Steel Production Company examined. Acting head of Afghanistan National Standards Authority and the accompanying delegation visited and examined Fakiri Steel Production Company. 19 more children with heart infections introduced to hospitals for treatment. Afghan Red Crescent Society has introduced 19 children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect to global, Basset and French medical hospitals for surgery and treatment. 50-bed Corona hospital inaugurated. Administrative Office of the President says that the work of the 50-bed Corona hospital has been completed. 1.5 million Afghanis revenue collected in Ghor province. National Statistics and Information Agency says 1.5 million Afghanis revenue have been collected from the distribution of ID cards in Ghor province. Railway transportation has increased. Officials of the Afghanistan Railway Authority say that 78,236 metric tons of goods have been transported through Heratan, Akina and Torgandi ports in the last 1 week. The construction work of roads in the 17th district are underway. Kabul municipality says the construction work of 4 roads in the 17th district have progressed 70% and will soon be completed. DEB to auction $14 million tomorrow. The country's central bank has announced auctioning $14 million tomorrow, Sunday, to keep the local currency rate stable.